Hello everybody, welcome again from AMT Auto in Leeds. I'm James, and another one welcome, as I say, from me and everybody here on Kershaw Road. What we have for you today, an absolutely stunning, amazing, spec'd up, fast, pokey piece of machinery. This is a 2021 Audi RS Q3 Vorsprung. Top end of the range, all the spec you could want. Looks the part, drivers apart, so let's have a further look. We'll start with those 21-inch two-tone alloy wheels with the contrasting red calipers. This particular one is finished in Mythos black, arguably the best colour. You know, the calipers stand out like a sore thumb, really looks the part. And then we've got everything else to look at as well. So, standard finish, no cost option, is your full black Napa leather. Your comfort and sound comes as standard, which includes your B&O sound system and heated front seats. And of course, we've got that stunning sliding panoramic glass sunroof as well. Love the carbon fibre trim we have on the dash here. Got your Bluetooth connectivity and sat nav, and this 2021 plate has only covered 8,532 miles. What else could you want from an Audi product? It's got everything, and I'm certainly proud to be representing AMT with this bit of stock.
AMT Auto are established nationwide business with locations in London, Birmingham, Leeds and Scotland. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep up to date with our newest videos at Leeds. AMT Auto, the UK's favourite car buying experience.